we are in Milford Sound, inflating our boat to go mountain climbing. Pretty crazy, huh? The goal today is to try and climb up that little mountain there. The most photographed mountain in New Zealand called Mitre Peak. There's a lot of sandflies here. So we've got the boat all inflated, ready to go. Mike's just parking the car and then we're going to head off. And it's nice and calm, thank God, because this thing's pretty small for 4 people and all our gear. So we made it to the other side, to the base of Mitre Peak, and then we're just crashing up a very slight bush path. It's 11 AM and we're heading on up. So it's just on 1 o'clock. We've made it up to the top of the first little ridge. As you can see though, we've got a fair way to go. We've got to get all the way up there. But the trail's pretty easy going. Just steep. Got a little bit lost at one point, back on the track. Only off for 5 minutes or so. So yeah, so far so good. Got a fair way to go though. So we just got to the bivvy site in about 3.5 hours, and we just had an hour snooze, wait for the temperature to go down a bit, and now we're going to keep on heading on up. So yeah, let's see how it goes. almost at the summit of Mitre Peak. So we made it to the summit of Mitre Peak. Yay! It's not too late, maybe about 6:30, 7 o'clock. So we've got at least another 2 or 3 hours to get back to camp. It was awesome, really good, pretty easy route finding actually. So yeah, alright, we get back down. On our way back down now. It's pretty easy to go back down when you know where you've been, and there's actually when you can look down over the all the cliffs and stuff, it makes it a bit easier. So we bivvied out here on the saddle last night. Got to about 9:30 by the time we got back to camp. And it's a misty old morning this morning, and we're going to pack a camp up and wander back down to the bottom of the hill to hopefully find our boat.